Greetings, journey chasers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where the road to adventure begins in style. We're excited to present a 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F with just 45,000 miles, priced at a remarkable $93,900. This 37-foot Class A motorhome, built on a sturdy Ford F53 chassis, showcases the elegant 37F floor plan with 3 massive slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping 2 in luxurious comfort. Draped in Winnebago's shimmering Pewter Pearl silver full-body paint package, this RV radiates sophistication. Powered by a dependable Ford V10 gas engine with plenty of power for any situation. Join us for a thrilling tour to uncover every upscale detail of this incredible value. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F captivates onlookers. The Pewter Pearl silver paint package gleams under the sun, making this coach a standout at any campground. Spanning 37 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Ford F53 chassis, delivering a smooth, reliable ride for all your travels. Powered by a Ford 6.8-liter V10 gas engine, it generates 320 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, paired with a Ford TorqShift 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive for seamless performance. The robust build ensures durability across diverse terrains. With only 45,000 miles, this RV is primed for countless adventures. The exterior is loaded with features to transform your camping experience. Large pass-through basement storage compartments circle the entire exterior, offering ample room for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV sets the stage for outdoor movie nights or tailgating fun. A power patio awning and slide toppers over all 3 slide-outs create a shaded, stylish haven at any campsite. Power Gear 4-point automatic one-touch hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. A 5,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a small vehicle with ease. Powering your travels is a breeze with this RV's reliable systems. The Onan 5.5 kilowatt QG generator provides dependable power for off-grid getaways or remote retreats. A 50-amp service with an extension cord paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. Dual roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and dual-ducted furnaces deliver year-round comfort, keeping you cool in summer and warm in cooler seasons. Step inside, and the 37F floor plan welcomes you into a spacious, elegant sanctuary. 3 enormous slide-outs create an open interior that sleeps 2 in refined comfort. Ideal for couples seeking a luxurious escape. The layout features a large king-size bed in the rear master bedroom and a 3-seat recliner sofa in the front living room. The front living area is a peaceful retreat with a 3-seat recliner sofa, a Euro recliner with massager, a table dinette with 2 chairs, and a 50-inch TV on a televator lift, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. The high-quality cabinetry and sleek finishes create a warm, home-like ambiance. The full kitchen is a culinary haven, crafted for effortless meal preparation. It features a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a residential sink with faucet, an extendable countertop, and pantry storage for all your cooking needs. The table dinette nearby offers a cozy dining space for intimate meals. The 1.5 bath setup is a standout, with a private bathroom featuring a toilet, power vent fan, large sink, and vanity, and a full-width rear bathroom with a large shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, huge sink and vanity, toilet, power vent fan, and a stackable washer and dryer for ultimate convenience. The washer-dryer makes extended trips or full-time living effortless. The rear master bedroom is a peaceful sanctuary, designed for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, and wardrobe closets, offers comfort and ample storage for your belongings. The slide-out creates a spacious, airy feel, enhanced by stylish window treatments that add warmth and charm. The king bed and recliner sofa provide luxurious sleeping for 2, perfect for romantic getaways or solo adventures. Let's highlight what makes this RV exceptional. The 37F floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a spacious, upscale interior for 2. The Ford V10 engine and F53 chassis deliver reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid exploration. Premium features like the televator lift TV, stackable washer-dryer, and Pewter Pearl paint package add elegance and functionality, while the ceramic tile flooring and spacious bathrooms enhance comfort. At just $93,900, this 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F with 45,000 miles is an incredible value for a luxury gas motorhome. Envision cruising in this 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F, exploring rolling hills, coastal shores, or quiet forest campgrounds with your loved one. Picture preparing a gourmet meal in the upscale kitchen, relaxing by the 50-inch TV, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends the comforts of a luxury home with the freedom of the open road, and its Pewter Pearl exterior ensures you arrive in style. With its well-maintained condition, every journey will spark joy and relaxation. Let's explore why this adventurer is a top choice. Winnebago's renowned craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, elegant finishes, and thoughtful features like the massaging Euro recliner and hydraulic leveling jacks. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras provide peace of mind, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the washer-dryer to the luxurious bathrooms, this RV is built for comfort and adventure. Ready to make this beauty yours? Priced at just $93,900, this 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed luxury motorhome. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or book a test drive. The Porter's RV sales team is ready to set you up for your next adventure. Thank you for joining us for this captivating walk-around of the 2017 Winnebago Adventurer 37F. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2017 Adventurer 37F. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in elegance.